Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Amrit and this video is the continuation of our movie booking application. And in this video, we are going to build our more UI. So without any further delay, let's jump into the code. In previous video, we will build our header page. And in this video, we are going to build our movie detail page. All movies page. Okay. So whenever you click on see all button, then it will redirect to all movies page. Okay. So let me show you the UI. So this is the UI which we are going to build in this video. Okay. Okay. Let's check whether the page is created or not. So movies page is created here. Okay. So we are going to add the components here. So let's start. So go to the pages and here just click create new file, movies.jsx, react arrow function and export. Okay. And here, first of all, we want a banner slider here as well. Okay. So we already built that. So just import it. Okay, let's save it. Now go to the app.jsx and here add movies. Okay, so that's good. Now let's build these filters and this coming soon and this language section. Okay, first of all, we are just create a div and add some styling. Now inside this div, we are going to build the movie filters and movie list. Okay, so number one is movie filter. So we are going to make a component for that. Okay, so just let's create that component. Okay, so go to the components and here new folder movies. Okay, so in this folder I'm going to add all the movies related component. Okay, so number one is here movie filters .jsx. Okay, here, so first of all, I have to add some styling here. Now let's save it and check it whether how it is looking. Save here, and here we need to import this component. Okay, so this is how it is looking right now, and this is how we are going to build it. Okay, so here just add one more div in which I'm going to map all the languages. Okay, So all the styling is done. Now let's check it. Okay, it is looking nice. I think we have to add some spacing here. Okay, we will do that later. Okay, first of all, let's build all the UI components here. Now we have to add two more blocks like this for genre and format. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so UI is done. Now we have to add some spaces here. Okay, so I think we did something wrong in the classes. So let me check. So this is the button, format section, genre section, language, and this is the header. Okay, here we have to write Y, not X. Okay, now let's save it. Yeah, you can see that now it's looking good. So this part is also done. Now let's build this right part. Okay, just go to the movies page and here add one component, that is movie list. Okay, and let's make the component .jsx. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to style this div. Now here we have to add all the languages. Okay, so I'm just going to import the language array that we already declared in the constants. Okay, now just write a map lang I, and here write span inside this blank. Okay, and just write here as key is I. Okay, and class name, that is Okay, so this is also done. Now let's add the movies here. Okay, so first of all, create a div here with last name flex wrap, and gap should be 6. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, so first of all I have to iterate all movies. So all movies dot map, and here just write movie and I for index, and just here I'm going to create a component movie card. Okay, so and all the movies passed here. Okay, now let's create this movie card component. Now let's create the movie card component. Okay, so just follow me. Okay, so styling is done. Now let's check it. So here just import this movie card. Okay, we got an error here. Okay, so just go to the movie card, and first of all open this constant. Okay, I have to map the variables correct. Okay, so just split this. Okay, so title. Okay, title is fine, and there is no poster, so that's right. I have to write here image. Okay, and languages. Okay, votes is good. Rating, and okay, certification is not there, so just write here age. Let's save it. Okay, still error. Without languages, so join is not function. Okay, if I remove this and save it. Okay, this is how it is looking. And join is not working here because in our languages attribute all the things are written as a string. Okay, and join will not work on a string. It will work on arrays. Okay, so you can see that this is done, our all movies component. So you can now see from here. Okay, both are exactly same. Okay, so this is all about this video. In the next video, whenever you click on any of these movies, it will redirect to movies detail page. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.